Well, hello everyone. This is Karen in Ghana, and today I'm taking you inside a building nightmare I did not see coming. Let me tell you something. When I realized what happened with these windows, my heart dropped, because what was supposed to be progress turned into a full-blown fiasco. On the surface, it looked like the windows had been installed correctly, and they looked really nice. Everything was moving along, and I thought, oh, okay, one more thing done. But the closer we looked, the worse it got. And unfortunately, we didn't notice the mistakes until the work was almost done. The window frames were installed inside the window instead of on the outside. And that one mistake changed everything. Because if the frames are installed wrong, rain does not stay out the way it should. It comes in. And when you are building a home, that is not a small issue, especially with the rainy seasons here in Ghana. It's a major problem. Then we realized that the metal used was inferior. The frames were crooked, and some of the windows would not even close properly. And the hardest part, this was done by someone that we had trusted, someone Africaba had used before and who had done good work before. But as we began to question and push back on him, he actually stopped returning our calls and quietly disappeared with our money and our disdain. So as you can see from the before pictures, you really can't tell the issues, except you can see that there's no protection from the rain getting in, no outside metal covering. And this is why it took us a while to recognize the problem. And here's the part that really hurt. Every single window had to come out. Not one, not three, all of them, y'all. And the professional company we brought in confirmed that we had to remove everything. And they would correct what they could and reinstall the windows the proper way. Now, this kind of mistake costs. It costs time, and it costs money. And it's definitely costs our shalom, our peace of mind. And it is frustrating. Very frustrating. I would be lying if I said it wasn't. But here is what we learned about it. When something is wrong, you do not cover it up and you do not pretend that it's good enough. You fix it right. And now, as I show you these after pictures, this is where the story turns around, because you can see the difference. They're clean, they're straight, and the finished work changed the whole feel of the house. When I open the windows and pull them, they're strong, they're sturdy, and this is what it looks like when the job is done right. We are extremely pleased. And here you can see now, this is the company that we used, and we are happy to share their information here and in the description below. Hey everyone, I would like for you to please like, subscribe, and share my videos so that everyone can hear about the great things that the Most High is doing. And perhaps they'll join us too. All right, thank you so much. So, yep, this was one of the uglier chapters of Africaba's building journey. But the good news is the house is still coming along beautifully, and we are moving forward. As a side note, Emmanuel and I could have said nothing about it, but we operate transparently, and we decided to share with everyone, not just our clients, but to post it on YouTube so that everybody can hear it, because this helps other builders too. If you're building in Cape Coast and you get to the window stage, you can reach out to us and we will let you know who not to work with. All right. And let this just be a reminder. Because someone did a job and they did it well before, doesn't mean that you stop watching. Being a builder in Ghana or anywhere will humble you, and it will test you. But it will also teach you to pay attention, to stand your ground, and keep moving forward. And this is exactly what Africaba is doing. All right, guys. All praises to the Most High Yah.